So the first challenge is to solve the cube after jumbling it under 1 minute. Can I do it? Let's see. So I'm jumbling up the cube over here. So that is completely jumbled up and then I don't know the order. Now I will have 15 seconds to look at the cube to see how the cube is. Okay. Now I'm going to be starting the timer and let's see if I can do it in 1 minute. So I could do it. We got a 53 seconds, 82 milliseconds. Now the next challenge is to see if I can do it under 50 seconds. Well, I'm nervous for this. I have to solve it under 50 seconds. Can I do that? Let's see. So I'll be jumbling up the cube completely so you know that that's not in a specific order to which I can recommend. Alright, let's see. Okay, so this is a harder solve. Can I get it? Let's see. Just on the edge. Can you believe that? 49 seconds, 95 milliseconds. The next challenge is going to be even harder, where I have to get it under the clock, 45 seconds. Let's see if I can do it. Cutting it right on the edge of 50 seconds, going on a 49.95, it's really got me stressed, but I hope I can do this. So let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.